Hello guys, Cody here, and today I have another Hyperblade to show you from the Legends line. This time it is M28 Omega Dragonis 85XF, and attack type Beyblade. So here's the front of the packaging. You get the Legends logo, the Hyperblade's banner, the character's little symbol there. Battle Online for ages 8 and up. The name of the Beyblade, its product number, its piece number. Here's a window image of the Beyblade itself. And the product image. Hasbro logo. The side shows what it includes, along with the Beyblade. The other side shows nothing but the bottom. Little clear view of what you get inside, like the launcher and recording tool. The bottom shows where it was made, the barcode, as well as that Hasbro logo again. And the back shows the others you can get in the line. The Dragonis symbol, and the base parts and stats. So the face bolt is Dragonis. The energy ring or clear wheel is Dragonis, which has 5 attack, a defense, and a stamina. The metal wheel Omega, has the same stats as the clear wheel. 5 attack, a defense, and a stamina. And you can convert it 2 different ways. The track 85 has 3 attack, and the performance tip extreme flat has 6 attack and 1 defense. So that's basically it for Omega Dragonis inside the box. So let's crack it open and take a look at it out of its box. Smaller scissors, maybe? Maybe not. Ah, there we go. Let's cut through the tape here. Okay, good. Again. This could take a while, so bear with me here, folks. Have a few calls, we'll get together, have a few laughs. That one looks a little more difficult. Well, it's a little easy. Whoever packaged this taped this really well, surprisingly. Okay, so now... Shit. Okay, so... Yeah, they definitely taped this dude really shut. Really well shut. Oop, and there goes my camera. Alright, so... I'm sure the parts fell off. Oh well. Hey, stay up. Okay, so you get a green launcher, a yellow Bakuten chute winder, an orange tool, instructions, and the Beyblade. So here's the Dragonis face. Really cool looking dragon on it. I really like this face bolt. And it's the only part that's stickerized, so expect no stickers on this Beyblade at all, except for its face bolt, and that's it. And it's clear. Translucent. Be clear, our energy ring Dragonis. Looks pretty cool, and it looks like it can land powerful smash attacks. And it kind of reminds me of Strata or Gaia Dragoon's attack rings, because of how oval-like it is in shape, and that Beyblade is a right spinning top. Oh, and the clear wheel can provide pretty good smash if used properly. So now for the metal wheel. Omega. It looks very, very similar to the lightning wheel from Lightning El Drago, except it's redesigned for right spin purposes. So this has two modes. Mode 1 is this, which I forgot its name, but I think it's attack mode. And if you take the metal frame, which is the top here, and put it in the other direction, then I think it's in barrage mode. But I could be wrong, though. The bottom is hollow, but it still keeps its weight. The track, 85. Pretty low track. Though it's not really that good for attack types, because this makes this Beyblade way too low. So if it has a taller spin track, like let's say 100 or 105 or 125 or something like that, it would be good for it. Omega Dragonis would be suitable for its tip, which is extreme flat. This tip is the flattest flat tip ever made until the Giga Flat tip in Shogun Steel or Zero G. And this tip can make the Beyblade go really, really fast. But due to the spin track being very low, this tip isn't really all that suitable for Omega Dragonis. Meaning it will scrape the floor when you try to do a slide and shoot. You would just lose. You would just keep scraping the stadium floor and get itself a knockout, unfortunately. The assembly for the Beyblade is easy. You just take the clear wheel and put it on top like this. Then flip it on upside down and take your spin track. Line it up those little two sections here with those little notches on the clear wheel, and there you go, and hold the Beyblade together a little bit. Then take the bolt and twist it clockwise. And then you take your wrench, use this side with flat ends, and make sure you tighten that so it's not too tight. And then you take their tip, drop it in on the bottom, like that. Then you use the round end of the tool and click it in. Come on, click in there. There we go. And voila, Omega Dragonis. 85 Extreme Flat. The lowest attack type Beyblade in my collection. And probably one of the worst. Though the metal and clear wheel look promising. The 85 and Extreme Flat kinda make it eh. Though with the Extreme Flat tip, it makes Dragonis really hard to control. So I suggest getting this Beyblade if you are a collector. But if you're using it, it'll take some practice to control the scraping. An incredible amount of practice, to be precise. And that's it for Omega Dragonis. This is Cody signing out. See you all next time on Christmas Day.